Hi, this dance is called Yaktim Gemileri, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia. There are 32 count, 4 walls in prover level line dance. There are 2 takes with 16 count after wall 1 and after wall 5. Okay, without wasting any more time, let's start with the section 1. Section 1. To touch right foot to side with hip bump, up, down, up, and then cross behind, side, cross over. Next, step left foot to side, quarter turn to left, recover on right foot, and then coaster step. Section 2, rock forward, recover, together, rock forward, left foot, recover, and then coaster step, continue by step right foot forward, and then quarter turn to left, recover on left foot. Section 3, heel green, cross over left foot, and then step left foot to side, together, the other way around. Heel green, left foot, cross over right foot, and then step right foot to side, together. Continue with quarter turn diamond to right. Cross, and then step back, side, forward. Section 4, side touch, close touch, step right foot to side, behind, cross, forward, and then pedal turn twice. Pedal to quarter turn, and then quarter turn. Okay, let's repeat with the count. Section 1. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 3, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next there are 2 takes with 16 count. 16 count. Section 1. Step right foot to side, close together, and then quarter turn to left, step left foot next to right to step, close touch right foot next to left foot, and then quarter turn to left, step to side, close touch, once more, quarter turn, step, close touch. And then section 2, V-step, out, out, in, and then twice half before turn. Half turn, and then step forward, half turn. Okay? Or with the count. Section 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's all the tutorial of this dance. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like the music, and I look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.